desire of every heart and soul, an exotic, luxurious, sumptuous, everlasting land and life of bliss.
Are plagues and viruses a form of punishment?
Plagues and viruses, they are both forms of punishment as well as a mercy, depending on the condition of a person, the situation of the person. If a person is believing in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is exercising patience, the person is totally knows that he will be receiving the rewards from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and a person is fulfilling his ahkam and his ta'at, this will be a mercy for him. On the other hand, if this condition is taking a person away from deen, is making a person more rebellious, is taking a person away from the belief of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the oneness of Allah ta'ala, then indeed this could be a situation where it could, in Islamically, it is termed as a torment and a punishment. The condition, Hazrat Aisha radiallahu anha makes mention of a narration. She says, Sa'altu Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam an ta'un. I asked Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam regarding plagues and general calamities. فَأَخْبَرَنِي أَنَّهُ عَذَابٌ يَبْعَثُهُ اللَّهُ عَلَى مَنْ يَشَاءُ. So the Prophet ﷺ said that it is indeed a chastisement from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Allah ta'ala sends it upon whomsoever He wills. وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ جَعَلَهُ رَحْمَةً لِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ. However, for the true and sincere believers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made it a mercy and a rahmah. That is why the Sahaba used to say, إِنَّ هَذَا رَحْمَةُ رَبِّكُمْ, that this is a mercy from Allah. لَيْسَ مِنْ أَحَدٍ يَقَعُ الطَّاعُونَ فيمكث في بلده صابرا محتسبا يعلم أنه لا يصيبه إلا ما كتب الله له إلا كان له مثل أجر الشهيد. That a person upon whom a plague has fallen and they decide to remain in the place, in the city, they do not run away from that city, they do not move away from the city, fearing the plague, fearing the virus, etc. Sabiran muhtasiban, exercising patience, precautions, etc. And muhtasiban, and also having hope that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and having the yaqeen and the faith that Allah ta'ala will reward us upon enduring this calamity. يَعْلَمُ أَنَّهُ لَا يُصِيبُهُ إِلَّا مَا كَتَبَ اللَّهُ لَهُ. And what is his iman? The iman is that whatever Allah has decreed for us will certainly come upon us. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if they were to pass away in this, then Allah ta'ala will grant them the reward of a shaheed. إِلَّا كَانَ لَهُ مِثْلَ أَجْرِ shaheed. Ulama mention that this is when a person passes away, they will get the reward of a shaheed. However, if a person does not pass away and yet they exercise patience and they have firm belief in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and firm belief that Allah ta'ala will reward them, then too they will receive a reward as of a shaheed. This riwayat is made mention by Imam Bukhari rahmatullah alayh. So from this we get to know clearly that it is both, it is a mercy and it is a chastisement depending on a condition of the individual. That is why when calamities come, when difficulties come, we should turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we should make dua as much as we can. We should not have this notion that, well, it will affect others, it will not affect me. Sometimes it does not hit us, we do not feel the reality of it until our close family member is affected or we ourselves are affected. We should make dua for everyone and make dua that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala removes this from us, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants us afiyat and grants us all the means to remove this calamity and this plague or whatever calamity that befalls upon a person. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala removes it, and we stay punctual with our commandments, with our salah, with our ibadat, with our Quran, so that this can be a means of a mercy for us.